Hi everybody, today we are unboxing this FLEXiO sprayer. We just want to show you how big it is and of course how it looks. We ended up getting this product because we had to paint our garage that was full of smoke and we had to use a very heavy and strong product. And pretty much this was the easy way to remove that smell from our garage, and the sprayer worked amazingly. We really like it. It was easy to use and it wasn't complicated at all. By the way, the sprayer is not too heavy. Now when you fill up with paint or whatever product you are using on the bottle, it becomes a little bit heavier, but it's okay, it's easy to handle it for a while. And this is everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you soon. Bye.